Hi everyone, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. My name is Ram. I'm DevOps and Cloud Trainer. So recently ఒక బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసాం which is a multi cloud with DevOps. So which was started on 3rd April. Yeah, so already demos complete అయినాయి. Yeah, so Monday onwards we are going to start regular sessions. Okay, Monday 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. So daily Monday to Friday. So which is a master program. So everyone can attend this, right? So even freshers, non-IT guys and experienced guys also, they can switch into their current role. Fine. Yeah, సో ఈ బ్యాచ్లో కంప్లీట్గా తెలుగులో ఉంటుంది ప్రాసెస్ అంతా కూడా. అండ్ టూల్స్, డెవాప్స్ టూల్స్ అన్ని కూడా కవర్ అవుతాయి. సో విల్ గో వెరీ డీప్ డ్రైవ్ ఎవ్రీ టూల్. అండ్ మల్టీ క్లౌడ్ 3 clouds విల్ బి కవర్డ్, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. సో అన్ని క్లౌడ్స్ కూడా చాలా డీప్గా ఉంటాయి. యా, సో వై వి రిక్వైర్డ్ మల్టీ క్లౌడ్, రైట్? So if you learn at least 2 clouds, you can easily crack your interview, right? So every organization they're using at least 2 cloud platforms. So if you have AWS and Azure, or AWS and GCP, or AWS and other cloud, definitely can crack your interview, right? So project lo kuda chala easy ga cope up avagalam, right? So those who are not attended so far, you can go through the demo sessions I forward to you, so you can continue from Monday. Fine. Yeah, Monday onwards regular sessions will be started. So WhatsApp group already created in the. If you are interested, you can make the fee and add into WhatsApp group. If you have any more doubts and questions, okay, you can reach out to me. I'll give you guidance. Fine. Yeah, Monday onwards regular sessions will be started. So practical oriented sessions anni Monday nunchi untayi. So don't miss the session. Yeah, Monday link kuda change avutundi. If you are interested, you can make the fee and add into WhatsApp group. Fine. Yeah, thank you all.